Okay, this mentioned here, we have got, I think this question is pretty straightforward in the sense that we only have like a few letters, right, to worry about. Okay, so this one here, 1M, 1A, 2 N's, 1 S, 1 I, and 1 O, right? So if you want 4-letter code word, so the first one is, this is only 2 cases. Case 1 is VWXY, then case 2 is VVXY. Okay, so VWXY you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 letters. You choose 4 lah. Just choose first. So 6 letters, choose 4. 6 distinct. But because each letter, each combination, you have 4 factorial way. Okay, 4 factorial of arranging. They are all distinct. Then this is case 1. This is the number of permutation. P and C ma. So you choose really, then you permutate. For every one combination, you have 4 factorial of multiplying. Case 2 is just, you know that whatever combination you have is just 4 factorial over 2 factorial, because these are 2 identical. So case 2 will be 1 choose 1, because there's only 1 letter qualifying for VV. Then you have 5 choose 2 here. In.